my topic I chose was relative age dating. And we're going to get into this real quick. All right, here it pretty much tell you about the analyzing fossils and rocks layer. You have to use the principles which are listed here. And with those principles, they help determine which category you would place your rock. And we also have two different types of dating that I'm going to get into. All right, here I just pretty much explained how the process of relative age dating is determined. With that picture, it also shows how in steps you would go into looking for it. Have a cool background of the Grand Canyon. Back here. Now I'm about to list the two types of dating. All right. The two types of dating are relative and absolute. They both provide information of the remains, or the order of the remains. It also provides the age of the remains. Here I have another picture of the Grand Canyon using it as an example to show the layers of the rocks, which you can pretty much determine by using one of those principles to see what category you would put those in. And within using the principles, you also would see that what I have listed, that the phosphor succession, you can use that too as well to determine. All right, and here another discovery of relative age and dating. Here I have a picture of a waterfall. You can see here it went from younger to youngest. And when you think in that concept, you would think that the older would be at the bottom. No, not in geology. Had me kind of confused a little bit here. Okay, and my presentation, here's my works cited page. I also used a YouTube video that was listed in the lecture, would also help aid it to me get into some of the information I have here. But I also had fun with this lesson. Hope you guys succeed in yours.